Dual fandom right there.
That's
yes,
good.
of course. Such a sweet story. And this is a beautiful sunrise. The sun is now getting higher, so it's time for those sunglasses, y'all. It is going to be mostly sunny today. Waves are still pretty flat out there early on this Friday, but we're going to see the wave action pick up a little bit heading into the weekend. We've got 2-foot swells right now, a period of 5 seconds. Our pressure is higher, water temperature 84 degrees. Port Aransas air temperature is currently 78. We will see the wind pick up today out of the northeast, staying mostly northeast, especially right along the coast. We may see some easterly winds a little bit more inland, but 22-mile-per-hour gusts will be possible as that sea breeze kicks in. You can see our wave height still staying fairly flat again today, but I want to point out with that northeast wind, what that does is it kind of creates this longshore current, and what that does is underneath the water, there's something in effect both in the atmosphere and on Earth and in the water. It's called the Coriolis effect because the Earth is spinning. And so what that does is it makes things turn to the right in the northern hemisphere. And so what's going to happen is when you get a current going downshore, the Coriolis pushes more water to the right. And so we could have some minor coastal flooding over the weekend because of these northeast winds. Additionally, our wave heights pick up. So with the bigger waves, the longer swell, that gives them a little bit more energy to make it further up the coast. So parking may be limited at the beach. I don't expect too many bigger issues than that. But yeah, a northeast wind, 17 miles per hour on Saturday. Wave heights 2 to 4 feet continuing into Sunday, but starting to fall. We will see lower wave action by Monday, and then Tuesday back to around 1 to 2 foot swells, but still mostly a northeast wind. Good news in the tropics, we are no longer tracking any hurricanes. We do have 2 areas of possible development, and with the latest update, this area across the Atlantic where tropical waves still just starting to emerge off the coast of Africa, it's going to have a medium chance of developing. Meanwhile, this area near Florida still has a low chance of developing. A low starting to show signs of developing near the Bahamas, will drift to the north and a little bit northwest over the weekend. We're watching what's causing this convection and what's causing this convection, because both of those are going to play a role in our weather. More so the northern one, that's going to help push moisture into the coastal bend, but it's going to keep a lot of the heavy rainfall more so across Louisiana and Florida over the weekend. However, both of these features helping bring moisture back to the coastal bend, which means sea breeze showers are possible. Your high today, 92 degrees. Hey, it's October 3rd. 92 for your high in Robstown, Mathis as well. Lows overnight will fall back into the low 70s. Yeah, we may not get into the 60s tomorrow because we'll have more humidity. 90s on the board all week long. Very little day-to-day change, just a chance for a spotty shower. Alexis, John.